So guys, it's another beautiful day here in CT on LZ MFG Garage.
Jimmy stole my channel.
I'm stealing his channel. So Adam's been putting off starting this video, so I'm gonna start it for him. I just want to give you a snippet of one of the moments where there's a lot of work that goes on behind the scenes. It takes a lot of wrenching to get, how do I say this? I don't like the way that I worded that.
A car that doesn't break.
To get a car that doesn't break. I mean, there's so much work that goes into these damn cars, especially when you beat them as hard as Adam does, and...
I'm so anal, I hear like a little like creak, and I'm like, oh, check all the bolts.
Yeah, so Adam's still in the break-in phase, which, I mean, is exactly that. Things loosen up, things get broken in, things wear in differently than other things, you gotta adjust for it, and it's just a never-ending battle, but you know what? So far, for a break-in phase, I think you've been doing pretty good.
There's so much loose. Sorry.
At least it's pretty.
Yeah, at least it's pretty.
If it's loose, it better be pretty.
I see what you did there.
Oh, that's good. Could you grab me a half-inch extension, please? If you don't mind.
Which one is this? Come on.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right. Good luck.
Thank you.
See you soon.
Bye.
Let me give her another digga. 1 metric LZ digga.
Yeah. Let's hear it. Oga
Need more resistance.
Chip quit slacking. All right, well, Adam's doing that. We're gonna do a boost leak test. So what this is essentially is I just took a random amount of couplers I had laying around, and we have a PVC end cap with a bike valve on it. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna pressurize the vacuum system, or the boost system, the intake system, whatever you want to call it. And we're gonna see if we could see if there's any air leaks coming out of any of it. Simple concept. It's gonna work. Because Adam thinks it feels sluggish.
7.
Where is my socket? 6 plus 1.
Why was 6 afraid of 7, Chip?
7, 8, 9.
There's one right here.
There's for sure something over here.
Get the Windex.
You have soap? Yeah. Do you have any? Stop for a second.
Someone's over here.
Is your manifold leaking? Like at the...
It's like the throttle body. Want this coupler? Do you have something I can spray? I don't really know what the solution is gonna be, but Jimmy, give her a little squirt so they can see the bubbles. The throttle body's got a leak right by the spring. Really weird. Ow.
Yahtzee.
That hurt. Alright, so this spring kind of loads like on like that. So this whole configuration goes in like this. It's like a bearing.
Is it a bearing?
Yeah.
Guys, universal O-ring kit. What we're doing is we put an O-ring, a tight one on the spline, assuming that it's leaking between the bearing and the spline, and it seems like it might help a little bit. It might not fix it, but it'll definitely help.
We shall see, right? I'll tighten the crap out of it and press it in.
2 hours later.
Tried like everything, O-rings, copper washers.
Hopes and dreams,
Nothing
voodoo.
got the throttle body to seal. So I guess the person that had this before me might have like used nitrous or something, and I guess if you have like a nitrous backfire, that can burn out the seals. So that's a big boost leak. So we might be losing some serious horsepower there, and some serious fuel ton.
Yeah, we can't build any vacuum in the system.
So I gotta wait for a new throttle body. I mean, we'll be good to rip now, but it's nice to know that we still got a bunch of untapped power in this thing.
Can't beat it.
Can't beat it.
I just want it to hit 6 so bad.
Oh, it will. It will.
It will. It's like one of those things where it's like, it sucks that it's broken, but you're also kind of stoked because you're like excited for it to be fixed.
It's a good broken thing. It just sucks when you spend a bunch of time and like nothing gets accomplished, except like just acknowledging that you have an annoying problem.
We tried. That's all that matters. Always try.
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 For once, I think we solved this issue because it's the first time I've ever drained the catch can and it's actually been like watery and milky. Before it's been straight oil, so that's a really good sign.
Awesome.
Stoked.
There you go.
Why did I only put a glove on one hand? Bye, friends.
Later, Adam.
Bye. I gotta go eat dinner with Dad.
Enjoy your ride, don't get arrested.
Okay. My car is not very fun to drive right now. I didn't set the tension right on the throttle cable, so it's so touchy. Man, do I enjoy this drive. I love it here. Alright guys, so we've actually entered into a new day in this video. The main reason for that, yesterday I really didn't film that much, and today I'm not gonna really film that much just because there's a lot of like hanging out with friends and stuff intermixed. But what I can tell you right now, we are going on a run to New York because we need to go pick up more E85. So I got my 55-gallon drum and some gas containers, and we're gonna go pick up some E85. We also got another stop to make on the way too. Alright, secret destination revealed. We took a pit stop by OEM Plus Skylines and OEM Plus Skyline accessories to go grab some OEM Plus Skyline accessories. Alright, what you got for me here today, Tommy?
We got some amber corner lights.
Alright, so for whatever reason yesterday, everyone had bad luck. Just everything was flying off on the highway. Chris lost his hardtop for the Miata. I lost a corner light. I think on mine, like one of the little tabs was actually broken, so it was just probably like waiting to happen.
Yeah, this
anyway.
screws into the top of the headlight.
Now the question is though, these, like my other ones were kind of clear. Are these more OEM Plus or?
These are more OEM Plus.
So these are more desirable?
Yours were OEM, but like I don't know why the GTST, some of them have like clear with an amber. These are GTR, so they're faster.
I just don't understand why you want $1,050 for these.
Dude, they're OEM.
Even though going to New York sounds like it'd be far, we're actually only like 30 minutes from the border, so chopping across the border to go get some E85 because we were running low. Because this is what happens when you daily a Skyline that makes 580 wheel horsepower on E85. I wish we were doing this in the Skyline because it's like a mini toge to go get E85. We're just going through mountain roads, and with the Strike it kind of stinks because we can't turn that hard because everything goes flying in the bed. Just had a random mobile. We got the good stuff. Rolling her up. Alright guys, I'm just gonna close out the video here. Like I said, I'm not gonna see you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna take a day off of the video stuff, just kind of chill out even more, and I will see you even happier the next day with some rad stuff going on. So anyway, guys, thank you so much. I hope you're enjoying the Connecticut videos, and I will see you tomorrow.